Welcome back, writers. We have been working really hard at labeling our pictures, and today we are going to learn what our next step is in labeling. Today your target is, I can use a word wall to help me spell words. And you might be thinking, what is a word wall? This is a word wall. And sometimes if you're in the classroom, there will be a big wall with all the letters of the alphabet and different words underneath. And sometimes if you're at home, you'll have a word wall that looks like this. Each letter is listed, and then there are words that you can use in your writing under each one. So I can look under letter A or under letter I, and we're going to talk about some words from this chart. We are going to be using the word my, which we find under letter M, my, and we're going to be using the word the, which we find under letter T. So those are our two words we're going to be using from the word wall to help us write today. So writers, sometimes when we're looking at a book, remember that when we're labeling cake, camel, car, cat, we can just write one word like that. That's okay. But we are ready now to be adding another word. So instead of just writing cake, the author could have written the cake, the camel, the car, the cat. So when we use words like that, we use our word wall to help us spell them quickly, and then we can stretch out the rest of the words we need. So I have a story today, and I did things that I have. So here's a picture of my house. And next I had a picture of my car. And last I have a picture of my garden. So I'm going to show you how I would use my word wall and stretching my words out to label my pictures. So I need to think, do I want to write the house? Well, it's my house. So I'm going to write the words my house, my car, my garden. So the first word I want to write is my. So I'm going to look on my word wall and say that word, my. I hear at the beginning, and I know that's letter M. So I'm going to go through my letters. Oh, here's M. My is right here. M-Y. And I'm going to highlight that word so that I can see it quickly and you can see it quickly. My. We're going to be using that word a lot, so I'll put a yellow highlighter on it. So I'm going to look. It's M-Y. So on my story, I'm going to write M-Y. My. Then I'm ready to stretch out the word house. Remember, we write all the sounds we hear in a word. I say it, house. I say it slowly. House. Ooh. H. Ah. Ooh, my mouth went ah. I know that's a letter O. Ouse. My house. Then when I go to my next page to label, my car. I'm going to look on my word wall again for that word my. Oh, I found it quickly because I had it highlighted M-Y. So I'm going to first write my, M-Y. My, and then I'm going to stretch out car. Car. K-R. K. Ooh, that's a C like cat. K-ah. Ah. Ooh, I saw my mouth making that ah sound again. And making that ah shape. K-ar. Like ring. K-ah. My car. So writers, when you are writing today, you are going to have your word wall, and I want you to try to use the word my with your picture. So, happy writing. If you need help, make sure you ask your grown-up or ask your teacher. And maybe they will even let you highlight the word my on there, and you can use that word as well. If you don't want my, if you're just drawing things like the boot, the shoe, the coat, you might use the word the. That is found under letter T. And if you would rather use the word the, ask your grown-up or your teacher to help you find that word, and they can help you find that word on your word wall. So happy writing, and I can't wait to see your 2-word labels. Bye, writers.